So this is a central forest. Yeah, no, Sons of Forest. I exit from Sons of Forest, and this is Central Plaza. So from here, you actually turn to the first escalator down, and then you turn to right side to go to the Sky Amphitheatre. So I'm rushing there for the 2:30 show. Yeah! Okay, the show is starting soon. Oh no, oh no. Let's go faster. You hear that? Ah, starting soon. Okay, hot map.
Yeah, what show is it? Bird show?
Yo, let's go.
So 12:30 and now is it the same?
Wow. Wow, so full. Today just Monday. Wow. Hi. Wow.
Whoa! Look at that. Agile and maneuverable incline. Well, these brownie kites are mid-sized raptors, but don't let their size... Oh, very nice landing. There you go.
There's another one.
And of course, it's easy to spot the differences between the two birds. And the size is the obvious difference. But there is also the coloration and the shape of their wings. The white-bellied sea eagle have a V-shaped wing and a wedge-shaped tail.
Whereas for the brownie kites, they are brownish in color, they have M-shaped wings and a U-shaped tail. Well, Sophia, thank you very much. You've done pretty well. And right now it's time for to get back home as well. Is that away? Good girl. Oh, not to worry. So we will need your help to save and protect these birds. Or our skies will soon be empty.
Birds of prey are vital to the health of our planet. They remove all sick animals and get rid of pests. Now, one bird in particular helps us with pest control. Now, that bird is the owl. And the rodents they hunt never hear them coming, because owls are masters of silent flight. And with that, let's welcome Latte from Malay Fish Owl and Soren Biban Owl.
Well, Shawal, you mentioned about silent flight.
That's right.
Well, the reason why owls are capable of silent flight is because, unlike other birds of prey, owls have this very soft edge at the tip of their feathers. So the sound frequency created by the wing flaps will be absorbed by those feathers, hence making them able to fly very silently. Well, that's not the only, that's not it.
Nope.
Another thing too. By the way, owls have got exceptional eyesight, binocular vision.
That's right. Now, talking about vision, the colors of their eyes tell us when they tend to hunt. The owls with yellow color eyes, they tend to hunt during the day. The owls with orange eyes means they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. And owls with black eyes, well, they tend to hunt during the night. And with that, let's say thank you and goodbye to our lovely owls, Latte and Soren.
Over here, Mr. Raoul. There you go. Now these birds are extremely intelligent and also inquisitive as well, as you can see. Right over here, sir. Good boy, thank you. There you go. Now he's got long legs and flat claws, right? Watch how he goes about foraging for food.
Now, southern crested carapace are known to raid nests and even steal food from other birds. And right now, he's keeping himself busy rolling the rocks or even the tree bugs in search of insects. One more right here. Oh, and not only that, these birds are around right here. These birds are known to be able to make vertical flights into the air to catch it, just like this. Awesome. One more. Here we go. Almost. Wow.
Well, Shewa, let me show you how it's done. Right,
Okay,
Raul?
fine. Off you go, Raul.
Over here, one. Come on.
Right there.
Come on, Raul. Right over here. Okay? Let's put them much higher. Whoa! Look at that. All right, he's done pretty well. And right now it's time for him to head back home as well. Thank you, sir. Home is that away. Everyone say bye-bye, Raul. Nice flight. They're usually portrayed as evil, and they're very misunderstood, by the way. Take a look at the TV. When you see vultures on TV, they're usually soaring high up in the sky, with ominous music in the background, and a sense of impending doom. Well, we are here to tell you the real story.
That's right. The vultures are nature's clean-up crew. They use columns of air to glide and fly as they search for dead animals using their sense of sight and smell. Vultures prevent the spread of diseases.
So everyone, let's welcome Zena! Turkey vultures can be found in the Americas, and they are pretty abundant in the wild, close to about 10 million of them. Now these vultures, or the turkey vultures, have an extremely good sense of smell. They are able to pick up the stench of rotting carcasses from miles away.
So that means if there is a dead animal, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. The other vultures will follow suit, do the hard work and rip apart the tough hide of the carcass.
And by the way, here's an interesting fact about the turkey vulture. Their stomach acid is acidic as battery acid, car battery acid. So this actually helps them digest carrion better, right? Thank you very much, Zena. Time for you to head back home. Then we... Alright, see you later. You don't want to go back home? You know what she's waiting for? Big round of applause. Moving that away. Okay, I'll just... Okay, calling for you. Joe's calling for you. Bye-bye. All right, folks, in the meantime, please take the seat. Try not to move around too much. There you go. See you later. Okay, I tell you what. I'm going to place her on the perch right over here. Okay. You want to go back home? Joe's calling for you. Bye-bye. See you later. You don't want to go back home. And she wants to show off her wingspan. Now look at that. So ladies and gentlemen, since Zena is still out here, very quickly, you saw her walking with her wings wide open, right? How long do you think her wingspan is? Roughly? 1 meter, 2 meter? It's about 1.5.
Wow.
Okay? Okay, thank you, Zena. You can go home now. Home is that away? Good job. Alright, just calling for you. Bye-bye. We got more vulture friends to show everyone. Okay, another big round of applause for her. Thank you. So folks, you've seen a vulture from the Americas. Well, the next one making its way out is an Asian vulture species. In fact, he was actually rescued right here in Singapore. So everyone, hold your breath and behold the mighty Genghis, our Himalayan griffon vulture.
Wow, huge.
Everyone, let me share a story about Genghis.
Wow.
Back in 2005, the young Himalayan griffon vulture was on its migratory route from the Tibetan plateau all the way to Thailand for winter. Right? Well, during the migratory route, this bird was actually found very weak and dehydrated right here in Singapore, in Orchard Road. So the authorities contacted us and we managed to rescue him and nurse him back to good health.
Well, unfortunately, Genghis suffered an injury that prevented him to be released back into the wild. So he is now a special member of our raptor family. That he really lives up to his name, Genghis. So let's give a big round of applause, our Himalayan rapid vulture.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, the African white-backed vultures can be found in Africa, and these birds are pretty aggressive feeders. About 100 to 200 vultures can strip down a carcass within minutes. That's how fast they are. But unfortunately, the African white-backed vultures are critically endangered species.
And the next point is the ligaments and the height of the animal. Enter the cinereous vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. Now, unlike other vultures, these birds are solitary except when they mate and hatch. And they also prefer to feed on carcasses feeding for the group. Now, our male, right back there, he has strong gripping feet with large talons and good feet which help to rip apart the tough hide of the animal to eat chunks of flesh.
Wow.
Well, Shawal,
Yes.
don't we have two more scavengers to introduce?
We do!
That's right. So, folks, everyone, do take a seat. Do take a seat. All right, keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome our carnival star. And right back there. Ladies and gentlemen, our American stars from Africa. In the wild, these birds are known to go and visit vultures where they will feed on a huge carcass. By the way, these birds have dagger-like beaks and a stern old man face.
But they cooperate and coexist with the vultures, joining them in the feast. The 11 species of vultures in Africa clean up about 70% of the continent's carrier. We would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
Throughout the world, we are losing these birds and allowing away due to various reasons, like deforestation, poisoning, alright, electrocution. So, conservation efforts would be the only way to save these birds from extinction. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let us all show our support for these wonderful birds who keep our environment safe and clean. Let's give them a big round of applause.
And today you met raptors and scavenger birds. Well, these kings of the skies and walkers of our earth are a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. Now, if we lose them, we lose part of our family.
Well, thank you very much everyone for joining us today. So let us all live in harmony with predators on wing. Thank you very much. With that, we have come to the end of our presentation. Alright, our next presentation will be at 5 p.m. here at the Wings of the World. For those of you who missed the 12:31, alright, don't fret, we have another show at 5 p.m. right over here at the Sky Amphitheatre, Wings of the World show. Okay, have a great day in the park everyone. Thank you so much and goodbye!